What's up everybody, Chef Glenn being back in the kitchen. I ran into some beautiful local rockfish and all of a sudden I had the taste for grilled rockfish tacos topped with mango slaw. Let's go. All right, so as I said, I'm making a mango slaw. I'm gonna sit my fish in the refrigerator for a second while I make this slaw. So I've got all of my ingredients here and I'm gonna start with my mango, red onions, cilantro, mint, honey, I've got a couple limes here and I'm going to juice them. Add my lime juice to the slaw. Season it with some salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Get that mixed up. I'm gonna set the slaw in the refrigerator and allow it to chill for about 15 minutes or so. All right, I'm ready to get my fish cut up and get it seasoned. I'm gonna season the fish with some black pepper, salt, and smoked paprika. Just some olive oil in there. All right, the fish is gonna go in the refrigerator while I get my grill pan ready. Let's talk about the wine that I'm pairing with my fish tacos. I've got a 2014 Pazo de Señorans Albariño. This is a product of Spain. All right. The nose is really tropical. I'm getting pineapple, a little bit of lemon, and some mango maybe even. It's kind of sweet like mango. Give it a taste. Pretty close to full body. Really, really viscous. Bright, expressive acidity. I'm getting lemon, green apple. A little floral note. So what I'm looking for in this pairing is I'm looking for something to balance the richness of the grilled fish and potentially something that could enhance or kind of play off of the mango slaw, or either have the mango slaw kind of enhance this, kind of a little bit of interplay. And I'm also looking for something that's going to cleanse the palate, kind of reset the palate after each bite. I think this is going to fit the bill. Let's give it a try. I'm ready to grill my fish and put my tacos together. I need to get my tortillas charred up and I'm just going to charm over open flame. I'm going to use my burners back here and get a bunch of them done at one time, and then I'll grill the fish. The rockfish tacos with mango slaw is done. I'm ready to dig right in. A little fresh lime. And I need some hot sauce. That's so good. The fish doesn't get any fresher than that. Like I said, the fish is local. Oh man, this is a true test. Beautiful. The fresh, bright, vibrant acidity is just cleansing my palate. I mean, literally, I'm ready for the next bite. Speaking of which, I gotta double check. Like I said, the fish is so fresh. And then I got the mango. If I do say so myself, I picked the perfect mango. I mean, mango isn't even my favorite fruit, and this mango was fantastic. I loved it. The onions, everything, actually the mango slaw sitting together and all those flavors melding together, the onions have sort of mellowed it a little bit, and the onions are a little bit pickled. And I've got the jalapeno in there and the cilantro. This is a freshness party. That is a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.